So we've definitely picked the perfect day to film the video for our BMW 430D M Sport. Freezing cold outside, but the sun is shining, so perfect weather for this type of car. Car's finished in black sapphire metallic with BMW individual interior, M Sport Plus package on the exterior, BMW M4 brake package, fully refurbished 19-inch alloy wheels. So we've got memory electric package for the driver's seat. We've got Harmon Kardon audio, the fantastic BMW air scarf to keep your neck warm, heated seats to keep your bum warm, navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, all the bits and pieces you'd expect with that. And as you can see, got that amazing BMW individual interior which sets off the exterior of the car. This is a 2015 car on just over 103,000 miles, very good service history, and it's importantly had the timing chain replaced. Car presents very well. It's not immaculate because it has done 100,000 miles and is 10 years old, but does represent exceptional value for money. We've currently got this car advertised for £10,000, which I'm sure you'd agree is a bargain, given this car new would probably be something around £50,000. All our cars come with 6 months premium warranty, 12 months AA roadside assistance. This particular vehicle has 2 keys, all the paperwork's there ready to go, and the car is available on our website now for, as I said, £10,000, which is an absolute bargain. Thanks for watching the video. One final walk round of the car. And just to prove the sun is shining in Essex, there it is. Thanks guys.